Come test drive the 2011 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power driver's seat, backup camera, keyless entry, stability control, power sunroof, traction control, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.